The Ajazz Ak820/Ak820Pro gaming mechanical keyboard presents an intriguing option for gamers and typists alike, combining versatility with innovative features. Its dual connectivity options through Bluetooth 5.1 and wired connections make it adaptable for various setups, catering to both casual users and serious gamers. One of the standout aspects of this keyboard is its customizability, allowing users to tailor their experience according to personal preferences. The inclusion of heat exchange sealed buttons enhances durability and performance, ensuring that each keystroke feels responsive and satisfying. Additionally, the seamless transition between wired and wireless modes offers flexibility, making it suitable for both stationary and mobile use. Practical applications for the Ajazz Ak820/Ak820Pro extend beyond gaming. It serves well in office environments where typing comfort and efficiency are paramount. The keyboard's design facilitates a smooth typing experience, whether for prolonged gaming sessions or extended work hours. The ease of switching between modes is a significant benefit for users who may move between different devices frequently. In terms of design and usability, the Ajazz Ak820/Ak820Pro maintains a professional aesthetic that fits comfortably in any setting. Its reliability and performance, regardless of the connectivity method, instills confidence in users, ensuring it can handle various tasks without issue. In conclusion, the Ajazz Ak820/Ak820Pro gaming mechanical keyboard stands out for its thoughtful design and practical features. It successfully merges functionality with style, making it a compelling choice for those seeking both performance and versatility in their keyboard experience. Whether for gaming or everyday use, this keyboard delivers a reliable and enjoyable typing experience.